This isn't just a motorhome, it's a glimpse into the future of luxury travel. Sleek, towering, and finished in a deep black body with glowing golden lines, this 3-story rolling mansion looks more like a futuristic palace on wheels than anything else on the road. Its sweeping curves, panoramic glass walls, and illuminated accents make it appear alive as it glides across the highway, redefining what mobile luxury really means. Step into the driver's cockpit, and you're greeted by a control hub that feels closer to a starship than a motorhome. A vast panoramic windshield stretches from edge to edge, wrapping the driver in a 180-degree cinematic view of the road ahead. Golden LED strips trace along the dashboard and ceiling, with sculpted leather seating and glowing details. This cockpit is more than a driving space, it's a command center built for the future. Now let's move inside. The bedroom is compact but breathtaking, finished in matte black with golden ambient lighting tracing the walls and ceiling. A floating bed glows softly underneath, while panoramic slit windows frame the world outside. Subtle built-in storage ensures everything is in place without disrupting the sleek design. It's intimate, luxurious, and futuristic, a private retreat in motion. The kitchen continues the same theme, sleek matte black cabinetry with brushed steel trims and golden LED accents. Hidden appliances blend seamlessly into the walls, with a polished quartz counter glowing under the light. It's a compact but fully functional gourmet galley, space-saving, stylish, and built for high-end living on the move. Next, the lounge. Here, curved black leather seating surrounds a glossy black marble table with glowing golden underlighting. Panoramic tinted windows stretch across the sides, casting reflections of the glowing interior. The ceiling, lined with layered golden strips, creates an atmosphere that feels both intimate and extravagant, like a private luxury salon on wheels. The washroom proves that compact can still mean elegant. Glossy black stone-textured walls and warm golden accents frame a glass shower cabin with rainfall lighting. A floating vanity with an illuminated mirror and chrome fixtures adds sophistication, while a sleek commode seat integrates seamlessly into the design. It's small, efficient, but feels like a high-end spa every time you step inside. For fitness lovers, there's even a gym. Though compact, it's designed like a futuristic training deck, with a treadmill, smart bike, and weight station, all finished in black with subtle metallic highlights. Golden LED lines trace along the walls and floor, making the space feel alive as you work out on the move. And finally, the showpiece, the pool. Yes, even in a compact luxury motorhome, there's a swimming pool. Designed in glossy black stone with golden LED strips along the edges, this small relaxation pool glows like liquid gold under soft ceiling lights. Elegant lounge seating surrounds it, creating the perfect environment to unwind while the world passes by outside. Altogether, this black and gold futuristic motorhome is more than transportation, it's an experience. A moving luxury estate that combines innovation, elegance, and bold design into one unforgettable journey. So the real question is, if you had the chance, would you live in a futuristic rolling mansion like this? Or is this the kind of dream only the world's elite will ever touch? If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because even more incredible motorhome concepts are coming your way.